In a city that is constantly open to new trends, the beat of culture is lively in the home of great poets, artists, musicians, and dancers. Everywhere you walk, you can hear the sounds and dancing of tango. Whether it's in a high-end dance venue or an informal neighborhood milonga. As a result, it is the fourth most significant city in the world of theater, with the finest performing artist in the world ranking it highly. Here are the best tourist attractions you can't miss out on. Stay until the end to see a bonus location. Before to start, remember to subscribe, activate the bell and thumbs up if you like this video. Number 1. Caminito. Caminito is Buenos Aires' most renowned pedestrian street for its brightly colored residences and historical and cultural value. It is a popular tourist destination in the city. One of the most prominent neighborhoods in Boca Juniors is about 400 meters away from the team's stadium, La Bombonera. The promenade is a 150-meter-long curved walkway that features some notable artworks. Caminito's transformation into the gorgeous destination. It is today long and winding. You may learn about tango's roots and Caminito while admiring the many artworks on display. With the addition, the neighborhood walls are covered in hundreds of murals with important societal connotations. Number 2. Floralis. The Plaza de las Naciones Unidas is dominated by a 20-meter-tall, 18-ton aluminum and stainless artwork named Floralis Generica in honor of all flowers. The first outdoor sculpture to be operated by hydraulics plus photoelectric detectors was unveiled in 2002. Eduardo Catalano, the Argentine architect who created this work, gave it to Buenos Aires to fulfill his ambition of constructing a sculpture that reflected the movement of time. In a previous interview, Catalano described the sculpture as a combination of all the flowers and an optimism that is regenerated every day. Open at 8 a.m. and closing at midnight, the 6 steel petals are always open. As a result, when the sculpture is subjected to severe weather conditions, the petals shut to protect it. Number 3. Puerto Madero. There is no doubt that Puerto Madero was previously a harbor. Though it was completed in 1897, it was only used as a port for roughly 15 years. The nightlife options here are all high-end. A few decent pubs, clubs, and eateries may be found in the area, but you'll have to shell out a lot of money to try them. Despite the city's strong Italian influence, the Italian food in this region is the highest quality. The good news is that there's Sottovoce Alicia Morio de Justo 176 to the rescue. There are few better Italian eateries in the city than here. Patagonian wines and calamari are among the highlights of the pasta and desserts at this restaurant. Do you wish to try out a bar in Puerto Madero? The Posh Party Hotel Finals Residence Bar, Universe Bar, Marta Salotti 445 is an option. The Philip Stark designed interior is a mashup of old school and new school elements. There is live music and DJs almost every night. As you may think, the caviar and drinks are a lot more pricey than the standard menu. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Number 4. La Boca. All visitors to Buenos Aires must make time for a visit to La Boca, the area famous for its colorful buildings, tango and soccer team. El Caminito, or the Cobblestone Promenade, is the focal point. La Boca's postcard perfect buildings border a once used railway corridor. An outdoor market and tango dancers line the street, named after a tango tune from 1926, while visitors snap photos of the performers. La Boca, however, is much more than just a tourist attraction. New immigrants established themselves here after arriving in Buenos Aires, much as in New York City's Lower East Side and London's East End. Some best spots include Volta de Roca, Puente Nicolas, Avilandida, Cuencuela Museum of Arts, and more. Number 5. Plaza de Mayo. The Plaza de Mayo is the city's oldest public plaza. It has hosted many of the city's most significant events, from the second establishment of the city in 1580 through the independence movement to more recent political rallies. Protests occur here weekly, making this the political hub of Argentina. The mother of the Plaza de Mayo protest is a well-known rally of the revolution. Historical, cultural, and political significance abound in the squares surrounding landmarks. The Casa Rosada is among the attractions of the Plaza de Mayo, the Pink House. In Argentina, this is where the president has the most sway. Check out the Casa Rosada's famed balcony for yourself on one of its weekend's free tours. There are 3 stops of tour: the President's Office, the Sala Blanca, the White Room, and the Palm Tree Patio. Having your private balcony overlooking the Plaza de Mayo is the cherry on top. Number 6. La Bombonera. Bonus! Here we bring for you a bonus location you definitely wouldn't want to miss out on. If you happen to be a sports lover, you would have the time of your life here. This is one of the greatest stadiums in the area. Argentina's capital city is fewer than 4 kilometers away from the La Bombonera, a well-known nightlife district. The working-class neighborhood of La Boca, where La Bombonera is located, has a bad reputation for safety, so exercise caution at night. As a result of its proximity to La Boca's famed Caminito de la Boca, the stadium's area is generally safe throughout the day. The Caminito de la Boca region has some restaurants and pubs, although the San Telmo neighborhood to the north could be a better option. Particularly at night, the area surrounding Plaza Dorigo is home to the majority of the establishments. The stadium is less than a 30-minute walk away. And there you have it, folks. That's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the top 5 tourist attraction in Buenos Aires, a bonus location you can't miss out on. Hit like and subscribe for more interesting videos like these. Comment below and let us know which location should we do next. We would love to hear from you.